the scene here in North London. I'm Derek Ray, getting ready to bring you all the action, accompanied by my broadcasting partner, Stuart Robson. And what we're concentrating on tonight is league phase action in the Europa League. What do you anticipate seeing, Stuart?
Well, I think this should be a good game tonight, Derek. We've got some excellent players on show here. Let's just hope they perform to their best.
Very alert defending to put a stop to the chance. Matar Sarr. And passing it well. Not messing around with that clearance. Salamakers. Well, Tottenham have possession again. Dybala really is obsessed with taking the game to the opposition, but can they produce from here? Straightforward save, really. Well, who will be the player to decide the outcome, to determine the course of events? No reason at all why it won't be this man, Stuart. What do you anticipate seeing from him?
Well, his recent form speaks for itself. 3 goals in the last 3 games, and he's playing with great confidence at the moment. Every chance he could add to that tally today.
Oh, good-looking run. Jamal Musiala. A bit wasteful in possession from Roma. Quite happy to sit deep, but that can have its risks. And Spurs moving the ball forward. What can they do from here? Very alert defending to cut off the supply. And a long way out here. Well, in actual fact, it ended up being a simple claim for the keeper. Paredes. On the ball, Salamakers. Possession lost by the Giallorossi.
This is a message to all away supporters. Can you please remain seated after the game, and the coach will meet you at the turnstile. Thank you.
Dybala. Lorenzo Pellegrini with it. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. And teammates around him. Shaping to shoot. Still could be dangerous. The cross on the keeper. Matar Sarr. Spurs pushing forward with options available.
It wasn't really a great effort.
Hummels. On the ball, Salamakers. Paredes. Pellegrini.
Well, Roma have controlled the ball over the last 15 minutes, and they're playing really well and creating chances. But surely only a matter of time before they take the lead here.
A strong glove on the ball from the keeper. Sarr. Brennan Johnson. Oh, that's a fine-looking pass. Can they forge ahead? Not a certain goal. Maybe a chance for Spurs here to take the lead from a corner.
Well, this is a big moment, and don't these fans know it?
It's a short one. And whipped into the box. It wasn't quite as good as it looked when it was played over. Hermoso. On the ball, Salamakers. Pellegrini. And the attacking options appear plentiful. Crossing opportunity. Well, they kept their shape defensively. Job done for now. Half-time then, here in the English capital. Well, probably a fair assessment of his front. So here we go, into the second half at the home of Tottenham Hotspur. Alexis Salamakers. Pellegrini. Now maybe the really short route to go. And possibilities here. My goodness, what a stretched he was. One for his own highlights reel. And responsible for the corner is Dybala. Cleared away. Well, this is certainly the home of live football, EA TV, and looking forward to bringing you more action from the Premier League. It's Tottenham Hotspur facing Fulham. Sarr. Read it well. Mancini. Dybala. And the timing was perfect. Ball one. And passing it through. And there it is! The opening goal! 1-0, and they'll feel they deserve it.
Well, here's the goal again, and it's a really nice ball to put him through. The vision to set up the chance is outstanding, and then the finish is fairly simple in the end. That's a good goal.
Artem Dovbyk. Determined defending. Well, he's certainly not alone. Well, they might be able to launch a counter-attack. Into the chance! Stretch, somehow reaching it. And time for the change now. Corner kick played in. And nicely parried away. Paredes. Lorenzo Pellegrini with it. Moving the ball forward. How creative can they be? Element of risk there, but he's won the ball. Sarr. Musiala. Promising possession this. Almost going to be the goalkeeper's ball. Hummels. On the ball, Salamakers. Pellegrini. Oh, what a top-notch pass. Very quick thinking there. Might work out. Oh, surely. He's fired it against the post. And in the end, no damage done. Paredes. Well, I believe a spot kick award in one of the other games. Let's hear all about it from Alex.
Well, Real Sociedad were awarded the penalty, and it's only gone and hit the bar, and it went in. It's now 2-2 with just over 10 minutes left to play.
Cheers, Alex. Well, it looks so promising. But a goal kick outcome. The tackle taken away. Brian Cristante. Well, a textbook interception. Now, who can he play it to? There might very well be late excitement. 5 minutes left, and the margin just 1. Well, the supporters think it's on. Nikola Zalewski. Well, they're attacking, but time is the great enemy. And a useful cross. Danger still on. And no problems at all for the keeper. Van de Ven. Johnson. And threading it through. Can he put it away? Oliver Baumann. Nikola Zalewski. And the referee says that's going to do it for this contest. It is a Spurs success story.
Yes, but there wasn't much in it, to be honest. Really competitive game with chances at both ends. They probably just about edged it overall and deserved the result in the end.
alive with the spirit of excitement and a stadium brimming with anticipation. The build-up has been intense, and now we just can't wait for it all to begin. It's anyone's guess, though, which team will come out on top. Don't go anywhere. All the action coming up next.
A very warm welcome to you from the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. I'm Guy Mowbray and I'm joined by the former England striker Sue Smith for commentary. And a live game from the Premier League on the way. It's Tottenham Hotspur and they play Fulham. Now, this has to be. Oh, he's missed it. Big chance to open the scoring.
Oh, he'll be disappointed with that. Maybe it just came to him a little bit early.
This is the Spurs starting lineup.
Well, they've gone with a 4-5-1. We know that this can be quite a defensive formation, but they'll have to be good on the counter-attack. At least one of the midfielders, he's going to have to go box to box. And then you think the two talented wide players, they're going to have to be the creative outlet.
Well, here's how things stand, showing what an opportunity it is for the hosts today. They go top if they win.
Yet I think they've played well. I know there's still a long way to go, and I'm sure many more twists and turns, but so far so good. And if they carry on like this, they'll be right up there come the end of the season.
Musiala. Udogie. A promising-looking attack from Spurs. Now, can this be attacked? We'll have a go here. The effort shut out. And it's opened up for him. Well, in the end, it didn't give the keeper much trouble at all. This is who I've been looking forward to seeing most today. Are we going to see him play a prominent role here soon?
Well, he's just a natural goal scorer. Ice cold when he gets into a goal-scoring position. The defence are going to have to be on their toes, switched on, if they're going to stop him here today.
His luck. It's nicely stopped and held by the keeper. Making good progress here. And that's where it ends. For the lead now. And it's a decent stop by the goalkeeper. Delivered into the box, and he's shown proper command of his area there. A little bit deep with the approach now, it'll come their way soon. And away from danger it goes. Pereira. Now there could be something on in a moment. Now it needs a good ball in. And the timing of the slide tackle was perfect. Oh, might be in here. Having a try. That was a quality bit of goalkeeping. Genuine chance. Great defending. Nicely sets it up. It was looking good, but there it's ended.
Well, they were so close to taking the lead there. They just have to keep creating these opportunities, and surely the goal will come.
Still level, but this attack could see that changing. Well, it was a decent attempt, but it's been placed just wide.
Well, as you can see, they're creating plenty of chances, just haven't been able to make it count, haven't been clinical enough. Surely it's only a matter of time, though, before they do find the breakthrough.
They have it again now. It's certainly not for a lack of trying. Davis. Karim Adeyemi. Pereira. Now there could be a chance to counter. A chance to cross here. They've lost it. A promising break ends there. He'll have a go here. Oh, well saved. That was a really good chance. Messi. And that will do it for the first half here in North London. So no goals in the first half. What will this next 45 minutes bring? Lionel Messi. Davis. Messi. Still not away here. Well, there's the flag. Offside. Robinson. Well, we have more coverage from the Premier League coming up for you here on EA TV as Spurs face Bournemouth. All the action live on that one. Nicely played. Oh, that's not properly away. But it's there now. And questions will be asked of the goalkeeper. Anywhere but there. He really had to get that out of harm's way. Ball moving again with Spurs, who are looking for a quick reply. Porro. Could take things forward a notch here. A promising looking attack, but it's come to nothing. Now there could be a real chance developing. And that's where it ends. Musiala. Having a try, but it's a tame try, or at least that's how the goalkeeper's made it appear. And it might not stay away from their goal long after that. Well, he's cut that out nicely. Something different from the corner. And it's quickly stopped. It came off the defender. Corner.
Well, it's the first chance that they've had in a while, and the crowd are sensing this is a great opportunity. They're really getting behind them.
Karim Adeyemi. Oh, great work. What's next? Smith Rowe. And that's a corner. And maybe the chance to get their noses even further in front. It's put into the middle. Unable to find anyone with that. Chops inside now. And the Premier League continues with another offering soon for you on EA TV as Fulham face Brighton. Really hope you can be with us for that.
Yeah, really looking forward to it. It's always a great atmosphere and should be an entertaining match, that.
Goes for goal! Lionel Messi. Untidy in possession. possession there. Smith Rowe. And the attack is over. Really good defending. Lionel Messi. Messi. This could be dangerous. And the pass is incomplete. Nicely won. Anthony Robinson. Herrera. Now there could be a chance to counter. And offside towards the assistant referee. Just sitting off here, inviting pressure. They need to find a way to that late leveller, and this could be it. Fantastic looking ball. And it just didn't happen for them. Lionel Messi. Messi. And they've done it! Level again, with not long to go.
Well, if we see it again, he's placed that with such accuracy. The goalkeeper couldn't get anywhere near it. Such a nice finish, that.
Goal for Tottenham
1-1 then as we get started again.
Lionel Messi.
Left his man behind. Now to deliver a good ball in. Out it goes. Corner coming. Played into the box. And the corner dealt with. Attabua. Adeyemi. Sent into the middle. Well, he's lost the ball, and any chance has gone. Promising move this. A goal now would surely be the winner. Messi. And that should do it! A late goal, and more than likely a winning goal.
If we watch this again, it's a really good finish. He goes for precision rather than power, and the keeper's got no chance.
There is the final whistle, and it's Tottenham Hotspur who take the 3 points.
Yeah, there wasn't much in it, to be honest. It was a real competitive game. There were chances at both ends, and they probably just about edged it overall, though. Deserved the result, in my opinion.
Messi. And that should do it! A late goal, and more than likely a winning goal.
Hi, just a couple of questions for you. Thanks so much for your time.
Two great sides going head-to-head in what's sure to be an exciting fixture. Join us for all the action coming up next.
A warm welcome to you from the Vitality Stadium in Bournemouth. My name's Guy Mowbray, joined for commentary by Sue Smith. And we've got live Premier League action for you today. It's Bournemouth versus Tottenham Hotspur.
Thanks, Guy. Well, being in and around the ground before kick-off, the fans are buzzing. They can't wait for this game, so hopefully it's a fast-paced, entertaining match.
Over the byline, corner kick to come. And the ball comes in. Couldn't quite get over the top of the ball.
Well, he gets himself free, reads the flight of the ball well, but just can't hit the target.
There's been a goal in another game, and Alex can give us the details.
Yes, it's a goal for Chelsea. He shot far post, the keeper parries it, but the rebound has been put in nicely. They've scored the opener here with only 4 minutes played.
Thanks, Alex, as always. Beautifully weighted ball, and the defence ready for what was coming. And it was a positive result for Spurs in their last game against Fulham. What do you expect from them here?
Yeah, they had to work, but it was a solid 2-1 win at home. I think they'll be confident that they can get the points again here today. They're a really well-drilled team, and certainly on paper, they look the favourites.
Fantastic looking ball. But no, just offside.
I thought the time from perfectly in, incredibly close, but just about the correct decision, I think.
Well, I'm sure the visitors will just be focused on claiming 3 points, and if results go in their favour, they might just end the day on top of the table.
Well, I think they've played well. I know there's still a long way to go, and I'm sure many more twists and turns, but so far so good, and if they carry on like this, they'll be right up there come the end of the season.
Jamal Musiala. On to Messi. Working hard to win it back there. Whether it be for club or for country, there is no finer sight than seeing Lionel Messi in full flow. What are we expecting to see from him today, Sue?
Yeah, a brace last time out, so there's no real surprise that we're focusing on him. It was his movement for me, though. He was always active, always trying to find the yard of space, and I expect it'll be much of the same again today.
Could be something building here for Spurs. Oh, they were getting interested there, but not anymore. That's a lovely ball. There might be something building now. Played back to Donnarumma. Ronald Araujo. On to Messi. Oh, possession lost, not a good pass. Ronald Araujo. The game brought to a halt, a free kick given for that. Lionel Messi. Porro. Untidy in possession there. Time to cross to Alex Scott for a moment. News of a penalty in another game.
Yeah, it was a penalty for Villa. He hit it straight down the middle. Keeper didn't even move. It's now 1-0 with 30 minutes played.
Cheers, Alex. Adams. In the right position to cut out the pass. Rodrigo Bentancur. Put into the middle. And that's nicely won to see off the threat. Sinisterra. Ball's waiting in the centre. Oh, it's cleared away from goal. Superb defending.
Well, the possession stats are certainly in favour of Tottenham, but we do expect a lot more from them. They haven't really created enough chances. They need to move the ball quicker, be more direct at times, and take the game to the opposition.
Not going to do much without the ball, though. Nicely sets it up. Might get another goal here. What a save that was! And the flag's up, so any goal would have stood anyway. But we should still praise an amazing save. Rodrigo Bentancur. Lionel Messi. And the referee's whistle brings the first 40... And we're moving once again for the second 45 minutes. Let's hope it's a little bit more open than the first half was. On he goes, terrific. And into the box it goes. And a really good bit of goalkeeping to keep out the headed attempt. And maybe an opportunity to get their noses in front with this corner. There still could be something happening here. Well, that's the whistle goes for a free kick. And this could be really promising. And the defensive wall has done its job. Brennan Johnson. Well, news coming through of a penalty in one of the other matches. Alex Scott can fill us in.
Penalty shot it well wide of the post. The score is still 1-1 with 53 minutes played.
Regular updates from Alex along the way. Lionel Messi hasn't really put his usual stamp on the game up to now, struggling to have his usual impact.
Yeah, he's not been involved enough for me, not seen enough for the ball. I think if they're to kick on in the second half, it's key that they get the ball into his feet just that little bit quicker.
A goal here. The goalkeeper does what he's there to do. Look at the squeeze on here. Well read to gain possession. Eva Nielsen. Oh, maybe a bit of space now. And it's on now. Oh, that's brilliantly saved. Behind it goes for the corner. Short corner taken. That will be a throw-in now. Jamal Musiala. Rodrigo Bentancur. Musiala. Keeping it nicely, waiting for the chance to get themselves in front. That's good defending. Tyler Adams. Good vision. But a good bit of defending to stop it. Lionel Messi. Spurs pushing forward with options available. Now it needs a good ball in. Oh, good defending, just when it was looking threatening. Bentancur. Jamal Musiala. Really nicely played. What can they do with this now? Taking this on. Oh, great work from the keeper to avert the danger. Well, time to cross over to Alex Scott with details of a goal at Villa Park.
It's a goal for Brentford. They're back in this now with 76 minutes on the clock.
Thanks, Alex. Spurs have the ball again. Musiala. There could be a chance to win the game here. Lovely ball. This could lead to something. That one's gone out. Throwing to come.
Number 7, David Brooks. To be replaced by number 10, Ryan Christie.
Evan Nielsen. Luis Sinisterra. Spurs come away with it. Spurs moving the ball forward. What can they do from here? Good work to regain possession. And they went too soon. It's offside. Unable to find a teammate. Davis. So that's it. It's ended goalless, which always feels like a bit of a shame. Your thoughts, Sue, on the game overall?
Yeah, it was disappointing in the end. You can't fault the effort or the endeavour of both sides.
clubs, but from different parts of the capital. Spurs from the north, Chelsea from the west, and our venue is the magnificent Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. Derek Ray on the commentary gantry. Stuart Robson is positioned next to me. And Stuart, this should be fascinating.
Well, as you mentioned, Derek, they're not exactly neighbours, but it's still a London derby and one that has become very important to both clubs in recent years. This should be a very good game between two excellent teams.
This is the starting lineup for Tottenham Hotspur. Gianluigi Donnarumma begins in goal. Lionel Messi starts with Rodrigo Bentancur in the centre of midfield. And the idea is to have just the one. Sancho! The vital piece of last-ditch defending. Well, the hosts will be determined to claim all 3 points. And they know if results go their way, they could end the day at the summit, Stuart.
Well, at this stage of the season, Derek, the table starts to reflect the true quality of the teams. And I have to say, they've been excellent so far. Let's hope they're at their best today.
Must take the lead here. Oh, but he's missed it. This still level.
Well, I just don't know, Derek. Just a real lack of composure in the end. They should be ahead now.
Messi. Well, for Spurs, the target is very definitely a victory. Remember, they were held to a draw last time out against Bournemouth. How do you anticipate it going this time, Stuart?
Well, the goal was fought away.
Is this the moment? No two ways about it. A wild, wild attempt.
Well, it's so hard to get this right, and he just couldn't adjust his body quickly enough.
And back to Robert Sanchez. Well, coordinated pressing and a poor clearance. He's been ruled offside. Jadon Sancho. Enzo Fernandez. Now with James. Noni Madueke. Just knocking it around, looking to carve out a chance. Opportunity it is! There is the goal to open the scoring! Who can say they don't deserve to be in front?
Well, as you can see, he's given far too much space, but he still had some work to do, and I think that's a very tidy finish. It was never in doubt.
Messi. Brennan Johnson. He's given it away. Palmer. Sancho now. And news of a goal at Goodison Park. Alex Scott has the details for us. And he's broken free. Well, a forceful effort, but it goes down as a missed opportunity.
Well, he strikes it with power, but not with accuracy. I think that's a big miss.
Well, to Alex, apologies for having to interrupt you just then. To confirm, Everton did find the net in that game, and the match is level at 1-1. Jadon Sancho. Good challenge and a throw-in coming up. Referee let that one go. Play on. And that'll be offside. Advantage Spurs. Messi. Bentancur with it. Chance to play it in. Can he do it? He couldn't bend his run and the flag went up. Romagnoli. And they do like to press whenever they can. Feeding it through. And off the box that time. But it wouldn't have counted anyway. Offside is the decision. Moises Caicedo. Trying to really get at the opposition here. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Reece James. Enzo Fernandez. Cucurella. Accurate pass upon accurate pass. Real chance! And it's gone in here! Just what Chelsea fans wanted to see. Their lead extended to 2 goals. So the ball rolling again at 2-0. Bentancur. And Spurs could be onto something. Sarr. Now with Messi. Bentancur. He'll try his luck here. Well, in actual fact, it ended up being a simple claim for the keeper. No more time left. That is it for the first half here at the home of Tottenham. Well, as we highlight... Well, off and running again, and it was a sublime performance by Chelsea in the first half. Will we see more of the same in the second 45? Fofana. Madueke. Firing it in. Well, it looked as though he was going to net another one, but the keeper getting in the way.
Well, that was a decent chance for his second there. Not the finish he was really looking for.
Well, not cleared away completely. Well, defensive resilience there. Jamal Musiala. Well, it's attractive football, but they need effective football. And to reduce the deficit. Will he finish? Oh, dealt with by the goalkeeper. So deciding to make a personnel change at this juncture. Playing it short. A deep delivery. Aerial opportunity. Couldn't take it.
Well, he did well to get to the ball first, and he's unlucky there. He just got too much on it.
Enzo Fernandez. Cucurella. Happy just to retain the ball in their own half and draw out the opposition. Real determination in the challenge. A throw in here. Jadon Sancho. What can Chelsea do from this position? Crossing opportunity. And Chelsea win the corner. Can someone get on the end of it? Well, nothing comes of it. A Spurs free kick it's going to be. Well, we have 30 minutes to go. Jackson. Cucurella. Sancho. Good patient build-up as they try to fashion something. And the flag was up in good time. It's offside.
Well, he should have realised that was going to be offside. That's a poor decision to play that pass.
Johnson. It's with Bentancur. Might be able to produce from this position. Messi. Showing patience as they look for a way back into this. Well, I think a classic commentator's curse just then. Couldn't make the ideal pass. Cucurella. Nkunku. Fernandes. Nkunku has it. Mastery of the passing game. Nkunku. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Cucurella. Fernandes. Joao Felix. Attacking possibility. Must be! Save, but still a chance. And there it is. An almost intuitive piece of finishing. So the action underway again. And it's turning into a trouncing with Chelsea holding all the aces. Nkunku. Reece James. And a strong tackle. Lionel Messi. It comes to nothing in the end. Free kick to Chelsea. Substitution time it is here. 10 minutes left for play. Moving forward effectively. But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. Nkunku. Well, not long to go now. And a disappointing performance from Spurs, really, Stuart.
Well, they just never got going. People will point fingers towards the centre-backs and keeper, and to be fair, they've been poor, no doubt about that. But they haven't had much protection. There's been so much space for their opponents to operate in, and they've had a field day. The final whistle can't come soon enough.
Moises Caicedo. Well, time is ebbing away, and they're using this passing approach to marvellous effect. Well, made it look routine, but read it well. Joao Felix. Really getting stuck in. Leading it through. There was impending danger, but good defending. So the final whistle, and it's a story of defeat for Spurs in this one. What did you make of it all?
So away we go then.
The atmosphere is building as two sides worthy of the biggest stage get ready to clash in front of a packed stadium. All the action here on EA TV.
Hello and welcome to Southampton's St Mary's Stadium. Joining me, Guy Mowbray, for commentary will be Sue Smith. And we've got action from the Premier League here today. It's Southampton versus Tottenham Hotspur.
Cheers, Guy. Well, I'm sure both managers will have given them the final instructions. Go out and give it their all. Hopefully, that'll be enough for a positive result. I'm looking forward to this one.
Yukinari Sugawara. This is a promising-looking attack. A chance yet to appear. Taking this on. He struck that out nicely. This is the Spurs starting lineup. Gianluigi Donnarumma is in goal. Lionel Messi starts alongside Rodrigo Bentancur in the centre of the park. And leading the attack is Timo Werner. Davis. The ball given away, too easy. This has to be! And that's a great bit of goalkeeping. That's what he's there for. Short corner it is. It's played into the box. It's only halfway clear. Messi. Well, they could still do something here. Lionel Messi. Still not away here. Takes the shot. Oh, great work from the keeper to avert the danger. And it was one of those. Had to be, but wasn't. Whether it be for club or for country, there is no finer sight than seeing Lionel Messi in full flow. What are we expecting to see from him today, Sue?
Well, he's certainly scored a few goals this season. They're going to have to try and mark him tightly because if they give him too much time, he's going to punish you.
Encouraging signs to the attack, but it hasn't led to anything. They are sitting a bit too deep here. Move of real promise developing. Oh, superb save. He's done so well to keep that out. They decide against putting it into the box. There still could be something happening here. Brennan Johnson. He'll try his luck. I'm sure he thought he'd scored there. Great goalkeeping. Into the box it goes. And a marvellous save.
Well, it just shows great reflexes and agility to keep that out. It's a top-class save.
And it's a short corner. Delivered towards the far post. And away from danger it goes. That's gone out for another one. Corner again. Now, can someone attack this? And the defence ready for what was coming. Oh, that's been won really smartly. Stevens. Jan Bednarek. Armel Bella-Kotchap. And that one goes out and away. Bentancur. Making decent progress here. Messi. Could turn out to be a really good ball. More defensive work to do here. Oh, chance here. Oh, great block. Rodrigo Bentancur. Musiala. Really nicely played. What can they do with this now? And away it goes.
Well, Spurs have controlled the play over the last 15 minutes or so. They're really taking the game to the opposition. They've had countless opportunities and they fully deserve to be ahead. It's about taking that next chance when it comes.
Jack Stevens. Lallana. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. Porro. On to Messi. Still all square. Can they make this pressure count? And that brings to an end the first half here in Southampton. Off we go, the second half underway. Bella-Kotchap. And the work pays off as they get the ball back. Poulsen. Bella-Kotchap. And the pass is incomplete. Nicely won. Adam Lallana. Promising position, this. This for the lead.
That wasn't far away, was it? They do well to create the chance. They just couldn't quite finish it off there.
Lionel Messi hasn't really put his usual stamp on the game up to now, struggling to have his usual impact.
Yeah, and I don't think he'll be happy with the first half. His levels are usually so much higher than that, and I'm sure we'll see a better second half from him.
This is a promising looking attack. Yukinari Sugawara. Lallana. Need to get tighter here, and the promise of something happening is over. Yusuf Poulsen. Spurs recovering possession well. Brennan Johnson. No forward pressure, they're waiting to be attacked. Nothing to split the sides, but this move is looking promising. Lovely ball, this could lead to something. Oh, fantastic effort, made great contact, but the keeper more than equal to it. Bentancur. Good looking ball played in, but the keeper had watched it all the way. Looking good. Now what comes next? Could be dangerous. And that's a great bit of goalkeeping. That's what he's there for. Then. Just needs the composure now. Oh, he's saved it.
Well, he's denied a certain goal there. It's fantastic reflexes.
The corner taken short. It's only halfway clear. Davis. Bentancur.
Well, they've been really good in possession and have created opportunities. It's just about finding the rhythm in the final third. I'm sure it won't be long before they find that quality in the last part of the pitch, though.
Well, maybe this time something positive can happen for them. Breaking at pace, this could be dangerous. And it all looks so... until the end.
That was a real chance. They broke so quickly and created the opportunity to shoot, but it just lacks that clinical finish.
Bentancur. On to Messi. Pedro Porro. There could be a chance to win the game here, but it will now be tidied up and cleared away. Looks a good ball. Still not clear. Oh, good save to keep it all square.
Well, at this stage of the game, that's a vital stop. It's fantastic work from the keeper.
And it's a short corner. Bentancur. Ups inside. Ronald Araujo. That's not a bad-looking ball. And the keeper just about able to deal with the danger. And it's all over without a goal for anyone to cheer. Sue, what's your verdict on what we've seen today?
Well,